Under the leadership of Champawar Police Station OC Dilip Debarma, the accused who took the life of 2-year-old innocent girl after giving poison in Khwai Gomoni Bitonia village was apprehended by the police. The officers in charge assured that the arrested accused will be punished strictly as per the law. Police have apprehended an individual in connection with the death of a 2-year-old girl in the village of Gomoni Bitonia, located in the Khwai district of Tripura. The child's life was tragically cut short after she was allegedly given poison. The arrest was carried out by the police of the Champawar Police Station, operating under the direction of its officer in charge, Dilip Debarma. The swift police action has led to the accused being taken into custody. Following the arrest, the officer in charge of the Champawar Police Station has made a clear statement assuring the public that the arrested individual will be punished strictly as per the law. This strong declaration indicates the police commitment to ensuring a thorough legal process and holding the accused accountable for the heinous crime.
Odin horono sungbono jitin laika agutula inside thanango inside thana theka sungbono ti pheke ora tuma pore sungbono kuto fraud hoye 3 din remand to ka 3 din remand to sungbono pa interrogation khame pore pura gotna khlogi saka gotna sama pore tungsini executive magistrate so saki ni buskango bo jaga tamkhe gotna thakia bo jaga bithi paika bo bebangno sung khlai phunuka এই ঘটনা যাতে সেনসিটিভ ঘটনা অমহাই ঘটনা খুব তীব্র যে কম বা जों ঘটনাতে जों মানে যত পারে जों বন তন্ত্র খাই দङ সঠিক তন্ত্র খাই দङ সঠিক খাই দङ
এমনে যে বড় বড় পাইখা কয়টা দোকানে পাইখা তাম পাইখা বড় দোকানে পাইখা বাহাই মানখা
হ্যাঁ পাইখা যে দোকানে ব পাইখা Tam ke sarika sarman pure sisi no bojo khibikam bobeng no sini executive magistrate sani bo nomna phunuka
engke tabu je puila bo je paimani tulasi goro je tamo payu hunkha mane medicine dogano or tam paijakha
mo actually kunia bo jokhon bithi urini bithi pai jokhon tlangi thangka bo glycerin kaisa pai amno khibui ori bithi tlangi bo boni buprangjoni nogo bereng thangka bon buprangjo sojokhon berai tokon songlai tongman burungkhana bo sujog nawi bon busa der bosoni busa na tekese bono boni buprangjoni busla aijak bono tlangai bo thanda pani ba cool drink painan tlang thangka lamo bono 100 taka rangrei paitlang ni bo dirahman pore bomno sujog nai o bithino glycerin je bithi daiton mane o bithino bo Bombasa sarik. Cin tonton hemanjak.
Je bo uri bithi pema ke bo jaga pai. Bo dukana bo biang phasinga pai.
Omo uttor sebri bazar pai.
Tulasi ko tam pai.
Tulasi ko ke bo glycerin ka thok jatiya. O jaga bo pai.
Acha.
This incident has deeply saddened the local community, and the police's quick response and assurance of strict legal action will hopefully provide some measure of solace to the victim's family and the community at large. Reported by Biplav from Khwai, Chinkhona.